Good afternoon, my name is Simmons from Mazda of Gastonia here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Our dealership recently reached out to AutoStaff and Tony Pate to assist us with our hiring and onboarding process for new sales candidates. In the past 3 days, we've had over 68 interviews, and we've selected 10 great candidates that are going to be onboarding with our company here in the near future as a product specialist. Every candidate that AutoStaff and Tony found was very professional, well vetted. We were able to spend about 30-40 minutes with each candidate to make sure they're a good fit for us and them. Really looking forward to the opportunity to work with our new sales staff, and I strongly encourage you to reach out to AutoStaff and Tony to see if they can benefit your dealership. Thank you very much.